Today's video, let's learn how to fix mobile data not working after update. First thing first, head over to your settings. In here, select the first option of connections. Here, select data usage and select data saver. Make sure that you are not unknowingly turning on this data saver as it might limit the usage of your data. Now in here, if you can, simply open this billing cycle and data warning. In my case, this option has been disabled by default, but if you can open it, go ahead and deselect the data saver warning. Once done, come back onto this page again of connection and select mobile networks. Now in here, select network mode, and so by default 5G is preferred, but if you would like, you can also lower it to 3G. In my case, I have dual SIM on my phone, so make sure that you repeat the same process for your second SIM card as well. Select network operators. If you have a specific type of SIM card from which you would like to use your data, then go ahead, toggle it on. Or you may go ahead, select automatically or turn it off and switch it to just a SIM card. And once you do all that, restart your device and this shall definitely fix the problem.